Welcome to Kelly Paper Online Training. My name is David Mount. Thank you for joining me for another Signature Service and Sales Training module. The title of this presentation is KMS Entering Contact Notes, and here's our objectives. First, we'll look at why entering contact notes is important. Then we'll look at how to enter contact notes into the KMS. Entering KMS Notes is important because it helps you to capture the details of sales calls outside the store, as well as capturing the details of sales efforts inside the store. It also communicates your efforts to grow the business with your district manager, with Rod Shar and Jan Gottesman, and anyone else who wants to know. In addition, it keeps customer contact information up to date. Now let's take a look at how to enter these notes. All customer contact notes must be entered into the KMS, or Kelly Marketing System. You can access the KMS through the Kelly Paper intranet. Under External Links, click on KMS. Log in with your user ID and password. From the KMS dashboard, go to the Quick Search section. You can search for an account with a company name, account number, contact name, phone number, or even a product code. Of course, the easiest way to find an account is with the account number. After entering your search criteria, click Search Now. Click on the Update button next to the correct account. On the General Information page, scroll down to add a note. Select the type of note, either new call, follow-up, maintenance, or recovery. Click Yes to follow up and choose a follow-up date. Click on Add to Sold Report. There is another module for this training of the Sold or Opportunity Report on the Kelly Paper Online Training System that goes into much more detail. But all notes should include the Add to Sold or Opportunity Report. Select whether it was a sale based on the sales call or an opportunity. Enter the amount of the sale or opportunity, what segment you discussed with your customer or sold to your customer, the gross profit dollars and percentage, the status of the contact, if there was a lead generator, and make sure your name is correct. Then enter your notes. The purpose is why you made the call. In other words, what segment you discussed, what opportunity for the customer, why you went to see this customer, and why you made the sales call. The result is what you did on the sales call, what happened. And the next action has to do with follow-up. Once you've entered all your notes, scroll to the bottom or scroll to the top and click Update. This page will give you an opportunity to check your notes. If there's any mistakes or anything that needs to be changed, you can click back or you can click Continue with Update. After you're finished with your notes, return to the menu. To enter in notes for a customer that does not have a profile or a charge account, from the Kelly Paper dashboard, click on Add a Record. From the Create a New Record screen, enter all of the required information. Enter the contact information and the contact title. All required information has a red asterisk next to the title of the field. Enter all required information. You can also put your note here with the purpose of your visit or your sales call, the result, and the next action. You can also populate the follow-up date. You can use the default follow-up date or choose a different follow-up date. Rate the sales call or the contact. Mark whether it's a prospect or a customer and your store number. After all the required information is filled out, click the Continue button. This will give you an overview of all the information you've entered. Check for accuracy. If you need to make any changes or correct any mistakes, click the back button. If everything's okay, click Continue. Click on Create a new account and then click Finish. Initially this will give you an error. It'll actually give you 2 error pages. The reason for this is that we have built into the system that all profiled accounts must have a business type. So this opens up a screen that will require you to enter a business type. After you enter the business type, update the account. This is now a profiled account in the KMS system. Click Update again, and this will allow you to go to the General Information page to make any other changes or update the account as you contact the customer and grow with the customer. And that's all there is to it. You've just finished entering a non-profiled, non-trade account. If you still have questions about this material, talk to your store manager or contact your district manager. As always, feel free to contact me, David Mount, at extension 225. And remember, here at Kelly Paper, safety is always first.